India is a traveler's delight. From stunning backwaters to the mighty mountains, journeys through the Indian landscape can offer experiences that can last a lifetime. जिस देश के हर कोने में एक नया देश बसता हो, उस देश में ट्रैवल करने का मजा ही कुछ और है. We are in Gangtok, where 4 teams are competing against each other for a spot in the grand finale, where the grand prize is a trip to the Paris Motor Show. This is India Adventures. The 4 teams in our first destination had their hands full on day 1. As they struggled in the pouring rain with car football, they used their Renault Dusters and managed to score a goal in the least amount of time, decode clues, and finally put up a great show at Cafe Live and Loud. I'm going to tell you the results next week. Hello, cool people.
Hey, hi, Hari.
How are you?
Awesome.
You guys look good, looking fresh and ready for the new day.
Yeah.
But clearly not everybody. What happened, Shreya? I don't see Simran here.
Yeah, she's very unwell. She's totally ill. I don't know. I mean, she can't even stand and she's getting the shivering attacks.
So, are you going to go ahead in this all alone?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I'm sensing that you guys have been waiting for something. What is that?
For the results.
So, like you know that the total scores are a combination of your task completed plus your performance with the bands. जो मैंने किया है वो है कि performance scores को टाइम में कन्वर्ट करके आपके टोटल स्कोर्स में माइनस कर दिया है. यू गेट दैट?
Yep.
सो वो जो कॉम्बिनेशन है दैट इज योर फाइनल रिजल्ट व्हिच आई हैव ऑन मी. आर यू एक्साइटेड?
Yeah.
यस. फोर्थ पोजीशन पे है श्रेया और सिमरन. You completed your tasks in 59 minutes and your performance was scored 14. That means your total time taken is 45 minutes.
Good.
So let's get on with this. Third position, Sade Punjabi duo, Kavalpreet and Vicky C.
Yo.
Now for the final 2. This has always been a very close competition. There is only a minute's difference between both the teams. Ritika and Abhishek, you are on the second position. Which means Mayank and Nidhi have overtaken them only and only because of their stunning performance. That's good. Round of applause for them.
Thank you.
Team 3, you have an advantage of 1 minute over Team 4, 6 minutes over Team 1, and a whole 14 minutes over Team 2.
Oh.
We will be heading to the Rumtek Monastery. You have to look for 3 pouches in and around the monastery.
Okay.
Every pouch has 4 coins.
Okay.
With every pouch, you will also have a clue card, which will guide you to the next clue. Make sure you reach the holy pillar by 11 a.m. Are we ready to go?
Yes.
Just remember, keep the rule of safe driving in your head. Do not speed more than 50 kilometers per hour. And the team which takes the minimum time to get to the pillar will be the winner. The teams are on their way to the location for the first task.
हम थर्ड नंबर पे निकल रहे हैं. टाइम कोई नहीं आएगा, इतनी टेंशन वाली बात है नहीं भाई.
This is Rumtek Monastery.
pride of Sikkim, the Rumtek Monastery or the Dharmchakra Center is one of the holiest Buddhist shrines in Asia. It is a gompa where monks come to learn, meditate and pray. Nestled in the mountains, the monastery is the perfect place to reconnect with Buddha within us. Let's see how far our teams have reached.
Do we have some clue here?
Yes. Thank you.
I got it.
So coins. Thank you.
You got one, Vicky.
Congratulations, guys. You have successfully completed part 1 of today's task. Tell me one thing. मैंने सुना कि बहुत जबरदस्त कंपटीशन चल रही है.
इन्होंने हमारा भी बैग उठा लिया था, खुद का भी उठा लिया था. एक मिनट. उठा लाए थे. उसके बाद में क्या किया, इन्होंने उसको वापस दिया कि ये बैग अपना नहीं है, वापस रख के आ जा. बाद में वो वापस गया, रख के आया. रख के आने के बाद जब ये वापस पहुंचे,
अच्छा ठीक है.
अभी गिना जाएगा.
बात क्या थी? पाउच उठाने की. कलर वाला पाउच उठाने. ठीक है. हमने ग्रीन पाउच भी उठा लिया, ब्लू पाउच उठा लिया.
दो उठा लिए.
आप तो आस-पास भी नहीं थे.
बट नहीं है.
I'm making a point. कि मैं green pouch लेके finishing point.
When you don't know it, don't make a point,
He
no.
is keeping the blue packet back, and when you are miles apart, तुम लोग आए हो, he told you.
Miles apart.
क्या हो रहा है? Who's going to tell me? Mayank, tell me.
Achha, it was a very tough competition. Like Abhishek's car and my car were like very close. Like it was like a race chase going on.
When you know your color is green, why would you pick up a blue pouch?
But
In a hurry that I picked up both the pouches.
I kept it back. I was the one who kept it back, and I told Kawaljit also as soon as he came, that is the pillar and your pouch is right there.
Kavalpreet, what do you have to say about this?
Somehow it's wrong because if we would have been there earlier, so it could have been a trouble for us.
As long as everything's ended well, it's all good. They didn't reach there on time. They didn't have to look for their pouch. And you went and you kept it. At least, thankfully, you did that. So, guys, the total time taken for you guys to reach here has been recorded. And I have the results. Let me tell you about task number 1, part 2. Where are we standing?
The front
The
of
holy
holy
pillar.
pillar.
And you have 4 coins each. One by one, each team will go out there and toss the coins up. You will get 2 minutes for it. To know the order in which you will be doing this task,
No.
I shall tell you the result up till now. The team which has taken the maximum time is, I won't say Simran and Shreya, I will say Shreya. You took 36 minutes to complete this task, which is still commendable because I love your spirit. On third position, we have Vicky C and Kavalpreet. Time taken is 32 minutes. Now for the final 2 again. The time difference between both the teams is hardly anything. Only 2 minutes. Number 1 position is the coordinated, cute couple, Abhishek and Ritika. You guys took 27 minutes to complete this task, whereas you guys took 29 minutes. So it's a matter of only 2 minutes. Now moving on to the task. ये लक का टास्क है. कहते हैं कि कॉइन्स अगर नीचे नहीं गिरते तो आपकी मन्नतें पूरी हो जाती हैं. So let's start. Shreya, who's gonna go first?
Yo, Shreya, we are with you.
Pray to Buddha and toss the coin. Ready? Your time starts now. Almost there. 3, 2, stop. Clap for her. Your time starts now. Whoa! You have 1 more minute. Last 30 seconds. Go for it, Paji! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was good. Okay, next up we have Mayank and Nidhi. Are we ready? Go. Yes!
Go! First one. Yeah.
3, 2, 1, stop. Oh. Now let's see if the cool couple is able to maintain their first position. And your time starts now. You got more coins. Jackpot. Come on, pick it up. 3, 2, 1. The scores are based on the number of coins that stayed up on the pillar minus the total time that you guys took to complete the tasks. And the results are here. One thing hasn't changed. Shreya, you managed to put just 1 coin up there. Your total time taken was 36 minutes. Minus 1 is 35 minutes. On the number 3 position, tossed up 8 coins which stayed, which is Kavalpreet and Vicky. Number 1 and number 2 position. There's a tie between Ritika and Abhishek and Mayank and Nidhi. And 1 more task to go. Shreya, you're not far behind too. You can still try. For the next task, your smile may work wonders. The entry to the grand finale.